Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to recover delayed TikTok message. So let's start. Let's go to TikTok. Now let's go to our TikTok profile. In this case I'm here. Now let's go to the three lines on the right side. Then let's go to settings and privacy. Here let's go to our account. And now let's select the option that says download your data. Let's click there. Let's wait. And now just click here and select data that you want to download. For example, you can download all the data or just personalize this. And here you have, for example, your profile and post, your activity or message. In this case we want to only message, so just click in ready and then let's go request data, and that's it. So if you check the process, so when the process is accepted, you can check this download again here and go to your files for checking if your data has been downloaded. Well guys, I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.